Turn a raw collection of men into an effective fighting unit.
Anti-submarine detector, Asdic for short. A device under the ship here sends a series of sound impulses out through the water, like this. Bing! 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 Right? Now, if there's nothing within range, there's no echo. But if there is something, you hear the impulses echoing back from it, like this. Binga! 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 Ah, you say, we found a U-boat. Oh, have you? That echo may also be a submerged wreck, a shoal of fish, an eddy of water, or the empties the wardroom steward has just chucked overboard. How do you tell the difference? Well, it's just a matter of practice. Lots and lots of lovely practice. Now, once again. Bingo! Bingo! Stop that laughing.
Bearing drawing left, sir.
Bearing still drawing left, sir. Steer 340. Range 400, bearing steady.
No, it isn't. Watch it.
Right cut off. Green 40, sir.
Sorry. Bearing drawing right, green 40.
That's better.
Stand by, throwers.
And drop a grenade. We'll get her exact position this time.
Stand by.
Instantaneous echo, sir.
Fire one grenade.
Submarine smoke candles up.
From submarine, sir. You're getting too good. Go away and try it on the Germans.
Yes. You won't find them nearly so obliging.